What's up, guys? We're back in Welland. We're at Mcdonald's. So this is Welland Niagara Ontario Canada. I'm gonna give you guys a quick review, so check it out. Try the fries. The fries actually taste fresh. Probably they've been sitting there for a while. You know the 5 rules: service, packaging, advertisement, food presentation, flavor, and texture. So for the service, I'm gonna definitely I'll give them an 8, just because I had 2 people greet me as soon as I came in, so that's very nice. Advertising and packaging, it's probably another 8. McDonald's, they do a very good job doing that. Food presentation, not the best. The McChicken was very sloppy. Food presentation, that's an 8. Flavor, probably 6.5. Texture, I'm gonna go 5, just because the chicken was very dry, and also the patty and the burger was very dry. However, the fries are fresh. They haven't been sitting there for a while, so that's really good. Hope you guys have a good day. Until next time.